Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, good morning po, Papa Jackson.
Good morning. So I can hear na merong konting islang.
Hindi
So
naman po, konti lang.
so I'm assuming na you are not calling from the Philippines. What's your name?
Gemma po.
Gemma.
Yes po.
Normal ba na Gemma yung spelling po? Gemma?
Opo.
Ilang taon na po si Gemma?
52 years old po.
Hindi halata Para ka lang mga 29. Ganun.
Ay, thanks, Papa Jackson.
Yan. Siyempre binubola kita.
Yeah, I know naman po.
Charot lang. Where are you calling from?
Sydney, Australia po.
Oh, Sydney, Australia.
Opo.
What's the temperature now in Australia?
Right now, kasi po, it's nearly 5 o'clock, so it's 4:58 in the morning. So, a bit cold po, pero it's summer. Summer po ngayon dito.
Parang Baguio ang datingan.
Opo.
Okay. All right.
Kasi madaling araw po ngayon, so medyo malamig, pero summer po talaga rito.
Okay.
Peak of summer.
Okay. Anyways, how long have you been living in Australia?
Ano po, 28 years na po.
Ba't ka napadpad dyan, ma'am?
Because my family is here po, all of my family. Dito na rin po ako nakapag-asawa, and then I have 3 kids na po.
Oh. Husband mo, Filipino?
Hindi po. Actually, I called couple of times na. Yung past po, yung sa marriage ko, which is I'm okay na, totally I'm okay. Now, I'm just focusing on my children.
Okay.
Actually, they're not children. They're all grown up na. So, yung panganay ko po is 26.
Okay.
And then yung middle child, malinaw po ba ang
yes, ma'am.
signal?
Yes po.
Okay. So, yung middle child ko po is 21.
Okay.
And my youngest is 19 years old.
26, 21,
boys,
and 19.
Yes po.
Okay.
So, can I start na po ba?
Yes, nag-umpisa na po tayo.
I can medyo ninervous lang po ako ng konti. Recently po, kasi I'm a single mom with 3 children. They all grew up po sa akin with the help of my mom because siya po yung nag-aalaga ng mga kids ko while I'm working. So, ano naman po, I'm thankful naman po ako kasi maganda naman po yung work ko rito. So, financially, I can provide sa mga anak ko. Recently po, I moved in with my mom.
Okay.
Kasi yung 2 of my children already moved out.
Yung
panganay
26
ko po,
tsaka 21.
Yung 26 po at saka yung 19 years old ko.
Okay.
So kasi ano po yung panganay ko may girlfriend na po siya. So he decided na mag-move in sa girlfriend niya.
Okay.
So which is in the beginning po, para nasad talaga ako. Pero, instead of, yung pakikialaman ko siya. So, nag-ano na rin po ako, like, I don't know how to say it, parang pinagbigyan ko na rin po, which is, kasi he's 26 na.
Nasa tamang edad naman na.
Yes po. And sabi naman po ng mga family ko, like, kasi andito po sila lahat na okay naman daw po yung pag-raise ko sa mga kids ko, ganyan. So, in short po, I was like devastated. Like, nalungkot po ako kasi yung like, sa akin po sila lahat lumaki.
Okay.
And then, so yung nag-move in po siya sa girlfriend niya. So now, mag-iisang taon na sila magkasama. Yun nga po yung parang pinaka, tapos ito po yung bunso ko naman. I'll jump on my youngest one. She's 19. She's in uni, yung nagka-college university po. At the same time, may trabaho naman po siya.
Okay, wait lang ma'am.
Okay.
Let's slow down. Yung panganay mo, nag-move out because Ano siya, he's starting to build a family of his own.
Yes po.
Yung
Yes
bunso mo
po.
naman, 19, she's moving out kasi
Opo, recently lang.
because she's going to school
Nagkaroon po ng,
and a job.
nagkaroon din siya ng boyfriend.
Magli-live-in na rin ba sila?
Opo. Para kasi dito naman po, it's very, normal lang po. Like,
Okay.
it's, naman po. Ang ano ko po sa bunso ko, yung 19 years old ko, as long as you stay in school, yun po, yung parang okay lang. At saka thank God naman po, mabait naman po yung boyfriend niya. So,
Okay. Buti naman.
she's in a good path naman po. Nakikita ko naman. So, but every week, meron naman po akong communication sa mga bata. Like, we're very close. I make sure na pag day off ko, I have one day for them. Like, we go out for dinner, like, every week po yan. So, pero po, nagkakaroon po ako ng parang tinatawag na sabi nila is emptiness syndrome. Yung parang po yung magmula po ng it hits me when my daughter move out. So parang ano ko po sila, kakaroon po ako ng parang depression. Although I know they're in a good, maganda naman po yung kaligayan nila. Kaya yung parang separation, ano po ang tawag doon?
Anxiety.
Yes po, something like that. So I'm getting more emotional. So when it comes to that,
So ang naiwan
But
sa'yo,
anyway,
yung 21 years old na babae.
yung lalaki po.
Lalaki.
Po.
Yun ang naiwan sa'yo.
Apa.
So you're living now with your mom, yourself, at saka yung 21-year-old na lalaki.
Opo.
Okay.
So, bali ang ano po ngayon, ang parang medyo concern ko lang po ngayon is yung eldest ko po, like he's a good should I say a boy or man, like he's a good person.
He's a responsible
He
young man.
He's very responsible. That's the word. He's very responsible. And he's very, yung naawa naman ng Diyos. Lumaki naman po siya sa guidance ng nanay ko. At saka ako rin po. Kasi parang Filipino way rin po yung pagpapalaki ko sa mga anak ko.
Okay.
They're very respectful child. Yung kids, yung mga anak ko.
Okay.
So, Tao Jackson, pasensya na po. Medyo
That's okay. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Medyo twisted yung words na nagagamit ko.
Okay lang po. You're doing
Pasensya
good.
na po.
We can completely understand what you're saying po.
Okay po. Tapos ito na nga po yung parang pinaka-concern ko. Yung sa eldest child ko, which is first time po kasi niyang makipag-live-in sa, sa girlfriend. This is the first time. And then recently po, ang nangyayari sa kanila is away-bate.
Okay.
So parang medyo, meron po akong time na kasi po meron po siyang extra phone, yung device.
Okay.
Na naiwan niya sa bahay. So, nakalagin po yung messenger niya doon sa phone na yan.
Pinakialaman mo.
Yes po. It's like my intention is, it's like parang yung mamamonitor ko lang kung paano. But nothing really like...
But you're not supposed to.
Yes, I know that, Papa Jackson. Yes, I know that. But I already stopped that. I swear, I stopped that already. Hinindo ko na po siya kasi I know inaano ko yung invade ko yung privacy ng anak ko. But ito nga po ang parang pinaka-concern ko ngayon is like away-bate. Kasi po yung anak ko, he's good looking because he's mixed of po siya, half Australian and half Filipino.
Ay, syempre, iba talaga. We are the best. Filipinos are the best neutral and based DNA for all.
Yes po. I agree with that. Yes. I'm proud to say, yes.
Tayo at saka Thai.
Yes po, yes.
Tapos,
everything po na may mix. So, tapos, yun na nga po. So, naglilipin sila. So, time to time, my son, nag-aano siya sa akin, nag-aaya siya sa akin ng advice, mom, ganito. Like, kasi po yung kalibin niya ngayon is medyo selosa.
Okay. Pogi
So, kasi maganda rin po yung babae kasi she's also Australian. Yung She's very pretty. It's just that probably yung ano lang niya is parang
Yung mga tipong pag,
kasi she's
pag
only young.
yung mga tipong pag nasa Pilipinas yan, artista na dito yan, parang ganon.
Yes, yes, definitely, yes.
Mm.
I'm not bragging, but it's really ano po talaga.
Okay.
So, in short, kasi my son is 26 and then the girl is 23 years old, right?
Okay.
So yung age na po na yan, I know they're kasi I was young once, so I know, yung like relationship, sometimes ups and downs, ganon.
Medyo volatile yan eh, no?
Opo. Sabi ko naman, ayoko naman po, sometimes, nanay ko po, sometimes sinasabi niya, nag-over ka ng para pong step, paano ba tawag doon? Parang nangingialam or anong,
Medyo,
I'm not interfering.
Pero
Okay,
hindi ka interfering pero overreaching ka naman, parang ganon.
Yes, that's the word. Pero hindi ko po sila pinakikialaman yung daily basis na ginagawa nila. When my son calls me, ganyan, ma'am, ganyan, nagselos na naman po. Yung mga typical na away, nothing really big. Wala naman pong masyadong major problem. Mainly selos lang.
Okay.
Hindi ko po alam, Papa Jackson, what should I do? Like, po ako, naapektuhan ako pag nag-aaway yung mag-asawa.
You're not supposed to do anything.
O mag-partner.
Not supposed to do anything. Alam mo ganito, kayo mga babae, you do not need any training to feel like your princess.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes,
Hindi nyo kailangan ng training pa. Mag-agree kayo dito. No? Pinanganak pa lang kayo, you don't need anyone to tell you that you're a princess. Alam nyo how to act like one. Kayong mga lalaki, we have to discover how to be a man.
Apa.
Hindi siya innate sa amin. Hindi siya. We have to learn how to become a man, a manly man. If you're kung straight naman yung anak mo, no?
Yeah, yes po.
Hindi, sinabi ko lang kasi, di ba, alam mo naman ngayon dapat inclusive, di ba?
Apo.
Your son, he must go through all the phases ng relasyon niya, all the highs and all the lows to discover how to be a man sa relasyon na yan. There's no amount of interference na pwede mong gawin to teach him sa part na yan. Hayaan mo siya.
Yeah, tama po kayo. I know that, Papa Jackson. Kasi po, siguro po may mali po rin po ako kasi kasi nga po yung as much as yung 100% na although I'm working, like hindi ko po sila binigyan ng parang like what do you call that? Yung as much as possible, I want them to live a happy life.
Kumbaga,
yung happy kids,
shielded sila, di ba? They are shielded, they are protected,
yes,
they are elevated,
yes,
di ba? Well,
yes.
And that's okay. It's not a mistake. No one can tell you that your way of upbringing, di ba, yung upbringing mo sa mga anak mo ay mali. Kasi paraan mo yan eh. Di ba?
Opo.
Style mo yan eh. So no one can tell you na mali yun kasi decision mo yan eh. You are the decision maker on how to raise your kids, di ba? But now that your son is now the leader of his own household, let him be, hayaan mo siya. Ganun talaga. Pag magulang tayo, overthinker talaga tayo eh.
Opo, nasasaktan po ako pagka ganun.
Di ba? I mean, if in the process he's going to lose his girlfriend, let him be hurt. Let him tend his own wounds. Diba? It's only then that your son will learn how to become stronger.
Yes, boy.
He has now his own queen to protect. He must act like a king. And he has to earn that day by day. 26 na yan, hayaan mo siya. Alam mo, Gemma, there's nothing wrong because your concern is coming from a genuine place of just being a mom.
Opo.
Diba? But he is 26 years old.
Oo nga po eh.
Hayaan mo siya. Stop breathing down his neck.
Yeah, that's the right word, Papa Jackson. Yes, that's
Kasi
right. Yes.
nakaka-suffocate yan.
Ayoko naman po, yes. Ayoko naman po dumating yung point na, oh, mom, you too much. Mom, don't, mom. They keep saying, mom, we're okay, they're okay. Which is, I know they're okay. Kasi, kaya lang po, syempre, as a mom, like, lalo na, this is the year po na kami, I don't know, Papa Jackson, I'm just probably, sometimes, inaano ko sa nanay ko na, nanay, ganito ba talaga yung,
Do you
lalo
want
na,
do you want a tip from me?
yes po,
Okay.
Papa Jackson.
Kasi
Please.
there's a detail that may detail kasi sinabi kanina. Pag nag-aaway sila,
Opo.
your son
Mm-mm.
is comfortable enough to tell you. Tama?
Yes po,
Okay.
yes.
Now, your son might not tell you this. Pero yung anak mo, hindi siya naghahanap ng kakampi.
Okay.
He's telling you things because he wants to understand perspective from another woman. So pag nagusumbong yung anak mo sa'yo, dapat ang kakampi mo, yung babae. Hindi ikaw. Hindi
Yes,
siya.
yes, that's to, yes po. Opo, gano'n naman po yung inaano ko sa anak ko. Pinapaintindi ko
Tama, buti na.
na, pinapaintindi ko po kasi like, yun naman po yung sinasabi ko. Ano naman po ako, wala pong kinakampihan dun sa mag-partner. Like, ano naman po ako. Kaya lang po parang pag nag-aaway sila, like parang naapektuhan po ako ng sobra.
Well, you're just being a mom. Hindi na masama yan eh. Nalulungkot
Yeah,
ka kasi baka mamaya, siyempre di ba, mahal mo na rin yung girl. Parang anak mo na rin.
Yes po. Yes, definitely. Yes po.
But you have to allow them to grow. Diba? Through all the pains, through all the joys, through all the struggles. Hayaan mo sila. Darating na tayo, magugutom yan. Hayaan mo sila dumiskarte sa buhay nila.
Ayun na nga po, isa pa yun, Papa Jackson. Tell me if it's wrong, right? Na pagka medyo, may trabaho naman po yung anak ko, but time to time, medyo nag-short sila ng budget. Sometimes he called me, Mom, can you please, ganyan.
Okay lang yun.
I help out.
Okay lang yun. Ang hindi okay yung ikaw mag-offer, pero yung lumapit, okay lang yun. Anak mo naman eh.
Yes, ano nga po kaya lang minsan naririnig ko sa mga aunties ko like, oh, you baby your kids too much. You do a lot for them, ganyan.
Iba naman siguro yung lumapit kasi kinapos sa binubuhay mo na ng tuloy-tuloy. Siguro magkaiba naman yun. Pero kung lumapit lang dahil kinapos, alam mo, sa totoo lang, Gemma, ang swerte ng tao, hindi naman tayo pare-parehas. Hindi pa siya siniswerte sa buhay. He's not yet, wala pa siya sa punto ng buhay niya that he's got everything covered. He still needs you around.
Yes, I know.
Diba?
Yes, you're right.
He still needs you around. Ang mali lang siguro doon, yung ikaw mag-offer yung siguro middle of the day. Hello, nak? May pera ka ba dyan? Yun ang mali. Pero yung lalapit sa'yo, hindi mo naman partitiisin. Hindi mo, ba't mo matitiisin kung meron ka naman?
Yes po, yes. Definitely, yes.
That's number one. Number two, ready? Ito nakakatawa
yes po, I'm listening. Apo.
Number two, Pinoy tayo. Ang hirap tanggalin sa pagkatao natin yan eh.
Correct, yes. Like, I know my mom, because I have a brother there too, Papa Jackson. Meron po ako yung panganay namin. And my mom keeps sending money to him. Sabi ko na, he's 60 years old and you keep, he's a good place. Hindi sabi ng nanay ko, alam mo naman yung ganyan-ganyan. So, I understand now.
Yun lang siguro yung mali yung i-offer mo. Pero pag lumapit naman, wala naman tiisin mo. Lumapit nga, wala nga makain eh.
Opo, tama.
Diba?
Thank you, Papa Jackson.
Tsaka naman, siguro magiging mali ito kung inconvenient sa'yo. Kapos ka, wala kang pera, lumapit pa. Pero kung baga hindi naman ikakahirap ng bulsa mo.
Yes,
I mean,
tama.
I could be wrong sabihin ko na to. But hear me out, no?
Okay po. Yes, I'm listening.
You're a single mom. You might not admit it, but the reason why you work hard is to be there for them.
Yes, Papa Jackson, you're totally right.
Yeah.
I've been working like the day one po na naghiwalay kami ng tatay ng mga anak nila without financial help sa tatay nila. Like, ano ko po yung mga bata, napalaki ko po sila, napag-aaral ko po sa good school. I really had a hard life, Papa Jackson. Luckily, andito po yung mother ko, like I can focus on my work And then, nung maliliit pa yung mga anak ko, she's the one who's looking after them.
Well, yun lang yung akin ha.
So,
You are not supposed to offer.
okay
And
po.
you are not supposed to to accommodate it regularly. Yun, hindi magiging mali na yun pag regular na. Kumbaga, sagot mo na
Okay.
yung electric bill nila buwan-buwan, hindi tama yun.
Ay, hindi naman.
Pero
Hindi
yung mga
naman.
occasional na kinapos,
Opo.
of course,
It's okay lang po yan.
oo naman, we both know that you shine the brightest when you have the chance to be
Yes.
there for them. For any of them, you shine the brightest.
Yes.
Alam mo yan, pagkatao mo yan eh. We cannot take that away from you. It fulfills a certain part of Gemma when you get the chance to be there for them. Right?
Yes po. Yes, Papa Jackson.
Oh well.
And,
Ano gagawin natin? Nanay ka eh.
Oo nga po, hindi ko naman po sila matiis eh. And isa na lang po, Papa Jackson, no? Yung middle child ko po, like his, ano naman po siya, so far, ang natapos lang po niya is year 12. He should be in college, he should be in uni. Pero ang sabi niya, Mom, I just wanna take 1 year off. So, hindi po siya nag-schooling ng 1 taon. Pero nag-work po naman po siya like part-time. And then I keep asking him, sabi ko, ano bang gusto mo sa buhay mo? You're 21 na. You know, you should go back to university po, yung college. Mom, I don't know kung anong kukunin ko. I haven't decided yet. So parang, should I just let him,
Yes.
gano'n na lang po? Okay.
Eh, sabi naman niya, he does not know anong gagawin niya eh. Alangan naman gumawa siya ng course na hindi niya gusto dahil lang para ma-please ka lang. I mean, you said it yourself. He's working.
Yes, nag-work naman po siya. Hindi naman po siya nangihingi ng pera sa akin.
Alam mo,
to buy games.
Gemma, I'm an advocate for education. But I'm also a believer that not everything will come from school. Not all knowledge will come from school. Alam natin yan. Proven and tested yan.
Yeah, I know naman po. But should I just wait na lang po for him na when he's ready?
Yeah. There will be a time in our lives, maybe this is happening to your second child, that,
Opo.
diba, that we are yet to figure out what we want in life. Maybe he is at that stage ng buhay niya where he is still figuring out what he wants.
Yeah, that's the word that he keeps saying to me. Sabi niya, Mom, I'm still figuring it out kung anong gusto ko. So, sabi ko, anak, 1 year ka nang hindi nag-school. But otherwise, he's okay naman po. He's not into any bisyo. Hindi naman po siya
You have
wala
a good
pong bisyo
son.
na po.
Okay, ganito, Gemma. Can I share with you something personal?
Okay po, Papa Jackson.
Okay. My daughter, when she graduated senior high, dito sa Pilipinas naman,
Opo.
she took up psychology.
Mhm.
Okay. I asked her, sure ka dyan? Sabi niya, I wanna try. Kasi may deal kami ng anak ko eh. She only has 4 years that I will send her to school and half year with my support after graduation, and she's on her own. So 4.5. Apat na taon that I'm going to send her to school, and another 6 months na i-spoiling ko siya. After that, you're on your own. Ako naman. That's the deal.
Yes.
So she took up psychology. So 1 taon yun. So minus yun sa 1 taon niya. Kasi 4 years lang eh. So after 1 year, kinausap ako na anak ko, masinsinan. I'm not happy
Okay.
with my course. Paano yung usapan natin na 4 years? So anong gawin ko? Alaman di ko paaralin. So sabi ko, okay. Let's reset.
Okay.
So you have another 4 years and 6 months after. So now, next year, graduating na siya. Second course.
Oh, that's nice.
Marketing. I know
Oh, that's nice.
I know that I broke a promise to myself because I only gave her 4 years eh. Diba? But what do I do? Alam ko that I shine the brightest if I give my daughter what she wants in life. That's
Yes
why I
po,
work
yes.
hard.
Yes, yes.
Di ba? And I understand you. I completely get your point. Kaya ang tanong ko kaya di ba I told you kanina, I will tell you the same thing sa pangalawang anak mo. Don't stop
Mhm.
breathing down his neck.
Okay.
Siguro yung parenting style, I cannot tell you how to do that, no? Kasi kanya-kanya tayo. Kanya-kanya tayo dyan, ma'am,
Yeah,
no?
correct. Yes naman po.
Oo.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I said to other people too, I have my own parenting style,
Yes.
and then you can have your own,
May mga parents na they are going to forbid yung children nila na magkamali. Ako, hindi ko gusto magkamali yung anak ko, but I allow the situations na pwede siya magkamali and learn from the actual mistake.
Okay.
Meron lang condition.
Mhm.
You suffer your own consequences. Ganun lang kasimple.
Okay.
So that's why I get you eh. Kaya naintindihan kita. I completely get where you're coming from.
Thank you, Papa Jackson, because I thought I'm, nag-overstep ako sa buhay ng mga anak ko.
Well, yes.
Kasi ang mga,
Yes.
ang life...
Yes. Ito naman.
No, kasi Papa Jackson, kasi ang ano ko si dito, Papa Jackson, kasi lumaki naman po ako sa Philippines. When I was like 16, dito naman po kasi parang they're very, pag ang bata rito is nasa right age na, they just let them, leave the house. Parang, you're on your own, kumbaga, you're on your own. So, yung mga, ng mga puti rito, like, should I say, mga common na po dito.
But then again, you did not stop being a Filipino when you got to Australia. So,
yes po.
Yun talaga yun eh.
So, as you said, am I over?
Well, siguro maging over, sa panganay mo, you are not supposed to
Okay.
offer. But you're supposed to be
Okay.
there when the going gets tough.
Okay.
Look, you are
Okay.
52 years old, Gemma.
Mhm.
We can safely say that at some point, you have figured out life already.
Yes. Yes.
And
yes.
your 26-year-old
Totally, yes.
son is still figuring it out. You
Mhm.
don't stop being a mom only because your son is now living with his girlfriend.
Yes po.
Okay. Number 2, yung pangalawang anak mo, yung nasa sa'yo, hayaan mo siya. I mean,
Okay.
maraming mga very successful na tao sa mundo na hindi naman nag-aral eh.
Yeah, he keeps saying that to me. Sabi niya, Mom, you will be surprised. I'll be number 1 gamer. Kasi mahilig po siya mag
Well,
game
let
sa,
him figure things out
online
in
gaming.
life.
Yes, yes po.
Alam mo,
yes.
Gemma, this is the sad reality. You will not
Okay.
live. You will not live forever.
Mhm.
Okay?
Okay po.
And your sons and your daughter know that.
Mhm.
They know that you have a limited time to be there for them. But it doesn't mean that they have to hurry things up because you are pressuring them.
Okay.
May mga tao that they have figured out life early on. May mga taong pagpatak nila ng 30, 40, they're still figuring life out.
Okay.
I'm older now, Gemma. I'm still figuring out life.
Mhm.
I'm yet to
Okay.
figure out life. Well, let alone your son. Tsaka mabuting bata naman, nag-work naman.
Yes po, yes. Wala naman po kung mababait naman po sila mga bata. Yun nga, alam po, parang, syempre, yung mga kamag-anak ko rito, they keep saying to me na, nag-ano ka na sa mga anak mo, you baby them too much, let them, yung mag-grow. So, which is, syempre, kahit pa paano po, nasasaktan din ako kasi sino pa ba naman ang tutulong sa kanila kundi ako. So, pero tama ka, Papa Jackson. Yeah, I have to, yung medyo mag-ano ko ng konti. Back off? Or, ano bang sa Tagalog? May huminay-hinay?
Yeah. I have a motto that I go by. You wanna hear?
Okay po, yes po.
I don't like a perfect daughter.
Mhm.
I want a happy daughter.
Yes, that's my yan po yung ano ko sa mga bata. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ang gusto ko lang po sila maging masaya sa buhay nila. Like,
Yeah.
I just want them to be happy and to be a good person. That's what I want them to be. Yun ang parati kong sinasabi sa mga anak ko. You do good, just be happy. Yun lang naman ang ano ko sa mga bata.
I want a
Like,
happy daughter.
Yes.
I don't need a perfect daughter. I want a happy daughter.
Mm. I'm glad to hear that from you, Papa Jackson. At least we're on the same page.
Yeah, baka nga auntie kita eh.
Ewan ko, hindi ko naman po ako, hindi naman po ako, medyo, I know, ano ko naman po yung mga anak ko, ginaguide ko, when I can see that they're in a wrong path, inaano ko po sila, yung, ina-advisean ko po, hindi ko po tinotolerate yon.
Well, style mo
Pag
na
alam
yan.
ko nahihirapan.
None of us
po.
can tell you are wrong.
Yes.
Diba? So far, you've done a good job.
Thank you, Papa
Your
Jackson.
track record,
Thank you.
according to your story, your track record, di ba? Will speak for itself.
Babawasan ko na lang po yung it's not pakialamera, isn't it? It's not the word. Yung over ko ng
Yeah, stop being overreaching. Anyways,
yes, overreaching, yes.
before I let you go tonight, I have a piece of advice for you. Hindi mo to
Okay po, I'm
hinihingi.
listening.
Hindi mo to hinihingi, but I wanna tell you this. Ready?
Yes po, ready.
Have a life that does not include them.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I like that.
Yeah, have a life that doesn't include them. Have your own circle.
Okay.
It's about time. You are just 52 years old. You're young.
I know.
Have friends, go out,
sabi ko,
travel. I don't know, start painting, buy a camera, do photography, start running, go to the gym, start dancing. I don't know.
Actually, I did one thing for myself last year. I had a rhinoplasty because that's why one of my bucket lists.
Ganda
which makes me
yan,
happier.
pak! Diba? O di, para hindi ka boring, ngayong taon na to, ipataob mo naman yung ilong mo. Para pag umambon, malunod ka.
And ang sarap po ng feeling, Papa Jackson, na it's about time na I can do something for myself. Like,
Diba?
it's me time.
Diba yung
Ang sarap ng feeling.
pagising mo sa umaga, pag tingin mo sa salamin, oh, ganda ko ah. Tangos yan.
No, my point is, Papa Jackson, is I finally na nakagawa ko ng para sa sarili ko. Like, it feels good.
Yeah.
Like, like, after all the years na naging provider ako, sole provider ako ng mga anak ko. Like, it's, ano lang po yun na, like, yung, one of the maliliit na bagay, pero it makes me happy. And para sa sarili ko po, yun po yung point ko.
Yeah.
Yan.
Of course, you deserve that.
Yeah. Thank you, Papa Jackson. Thank you so much.
Okay. You're welcome.
And
You're
you have a
welcome.
good night or good morning. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm so proud of you. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Papa
very
Jackson.
much.
Thank you. You take care. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye
Bye.
po.
Bye now. Bye.